Stop, but you press the same
There are a
button.
lot coming down.
Does it say record?
Yeah.
Good. Well, now we're recorded for posterity.
Is it do? Okay. How do I stop it?
Well, I'll tell you when to stop in a minute. I'm just glad to come up here and inspect this job. This, however, it's going to cost you $400 a ton here to put this stuff in the junk. Now quit moving around. You're wandering around like a gypsy. So now we'll have this famous film. Now make sure you get your dad here. Finally, he's become an Italian and come over to our side. Just press the button to stop it. You inspected this morning, Jack?
I love people watching people work. I told you, it's my favorite.
Well, it's spoken like a lawyer. I gotta give this to Jim. Don't let that roll down on me now.
Why not?
No problem.
Get in.
No, I think there's a
hip hop. But we used to have hip hoppers, you know?
well, I don't know because the crotch is the right length. It's there to go on your hip. So, I mean, the crotch is actually down.
Where's the place where you hold the hammer? Chantal, are those supposed to be worn on your hips, or are they like made for your waist and people wear them on their hips?
I just wear them on my hips.
That's the fashion.
Yeah, I know, but I just wondered if they're regular blue jeans that people are wearing on their hips, or they're supposed to wear on their hips.
You just buy them a size bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait, am I crazy?
No, I just wondered if they
These were bought like that. It's baggy. What kind of dressing?
People are such donkeys on anything those fashion people dictate.
And there was probably some big hybrid guy in Paris who designed it. He said, gee, I could sell more pairs of blazers if I sold them.
Certainly, we're prime speakers.
Prime speakers. You're going disguised as an
We
Italian?
don't necessarily agree on all aspects of every subject.
Who cares? You never have anyway.
If I had, oh, I don't. They put coats that go in, Paul.
Oh.
Right? You see that too.
No, Mimi had put her friends.
Is this a new toy or is this one you've had for some time?
4 years. I know how to take it. You see, I just let it roll. Other people go on and off, on and off. I just get people talking and tell lies.
I have a masterpiece. I paid $50 for it of my trip in 1989 with Thelma.
To where?
A masterpiece of what not to do with the VCR.
And here's the
And the
supervisor
guy
of
that
the
earned the
washing
shark.
detail.
But I thought it maybe, you know, something.
There you go. Is it running now?
Yeah.
Oh, good. You're recording now.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for Uncle Jim on his, what is this, July 28th, 1991.
Before our anniversary.
What anniversary?
The 24th.
It's the 28th today.
Yeah, but I said 24th year.
Oh, I know that. Okay, goodbye.